Welcome to the third in my series of videos on ways of using foam cubes in your phonics lessons. Today I'm going to talk about a game which you can use in the apply part of your lesson or as an adult initiated activity. So this would be a cube game that I might use during the week when we're working on split digraphs. So again, choose two children, one to hold the cube with the green cards and one to hold the cube with the red cards. They roll them in front of the class and hold up what it's landed on. So in this instance, it might be ache, bake, a, k, or, n, corn, f, ache, flake, k, ache, cake, bake, a cornflake cake. And the children have to work out whether that is an instruction or a command that you could actually potentially do. So sometimes they'll be sensible, like that one, or sometimes it might be like this one, in which case, again, we'd sound out, but in this instance, slide down a cornflake cake. Is that something that you potentially could actually do? Well, no, it isn't. And the children quite enjoy them, the sillier they are. And this is a game that you can use as an adult initiated activity as well. Once you've played it in the whole class session, you can leave it out and the children enjoy rolling the dice and reading the instructions or commands that they've generated and working out whether or not they could actually be true. So there's another way to use your foam cubes for your phonics lessons.